morning everyone, welcome to day 446 in my Cayman. Today is Autosolo day, first Autosolo of 2022, the Goodwood Road Racing Club. Here at Goodwood, I'm first out. It says 8 degrees outside, it feels like 4, it's absolutely freezing. So my car set up right now, if you saw my last video, you'll know that I've got thinner wheels, 17-inch rims, the standard size that this car came on from the factory. Got Hankook, Ventus Prime, Ventus Evo tyres. No idea what they're like, I've only driven it on the road so far, so I've got no idea what they're going to feel like. I've got EBC blue stuff pads all round. Apart from that though, completely standard. Format of the day is the same as usual. There's 2 courses. We're on Madwick 1, the other one down that end is Woodcote 1. You get 3 runs at the course, one after the other. Your slowest time of those 3 is dropped and the 2 best times add to your total. We reverse the courses after lunch, same again, so 4 courses in total, 2 best times from each. Those 8 times all get added together, and then there's the fastest of the day and the fastest in class. My class is class D, which is rear wheel drive over 2 litres. Switch 60 camera.
Red, 8, 3, 2, 1, go!
Selective reverse, that's not good. Don't want to be doing that. No, bit of understeer there.
Clean run.
Nice, glad about that.
No penalties.
That'll do.
57.
Select and reverse at the stop didn't help though.
Yeah, that's a bit. You'll work on that.
Yeah, I'll
Go
work
line
on
up
that.
there.
All right, thank you. Okay. Reverse. Oh, what was I thinking? Not good. But yeah, that was all right. That was all right. Felt okay on these tyres. Certainly a bit less grip. Bothered? Not really. Yeah, that was good. Enjoyed that.
Red 56, 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, we're good.
Red 8, 3, 2, 1, go! good. It's the quickest, cleanest run I've had today.
Really?
Easy, yeah.
They've built a new pit wall.
Red 8, 3, 2, 1, go!
I've got to sort that out. Bloody third gear. Yeah, that wasn't good. Third gear, really?